Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get potion in Plants versus Brainrots. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is a basic tutorial in Plants versus Brainrots Roblox. So if you are not beginners, you can skip this video guys. I'm going to show you how you can get potions. So the first one, if you want to get potion, you can join the event. For example, this gym event from the gym update in Plants vs. Brain Nuts. And the reward will be the Wire potion. In this event, you just need to give your brain rot to the machine and you will get the Wire potion and also the deadlift drop as the reward. You can also join the daily rewards event right here. You need to place the required brain rot and then you will get riot potion. But the rewards will be different every day, guys. But you will have chance to get the potion. Or you can go to the shop and you can buy the potion from here. But you need coins, these season coins. For example, here you can get the pine tree potion from the event. And yeah, the potion has different ability, guys. For example, the size potion, it will make your plant grow bigger. I mean, it can help you to have a bigger plant. And this pine tree potion will help you to get bigger brain rot. Okay guys, and that's how you can get potion in Plants vs. Brain Rots. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.